Student, how are you? I hope you will be good at home. I want to teach you class ninth subject math chapter 3 coordinate geometry. Today our topic is solve the questions. Okay student, so first question is draw a quadrilateral whose vertices are 3 2 comma and bracket close and 2 3, similarly minus 4 5 and 5 minus 4. So I am solving these questions on the graph paper and you will be see, and remaining question number 2 3 4 will be homework, so you will be do at home. Now I am going to describe question number 1, so you will be see very nicely and try to understand. Now so this is the graph, okay, graph paper. So I already draw the uh, x dash and y dash, two perpendicular lines intersecting each other at point O, and both are lies on the same plane, and that plane is called Cartesian plane. So I will locate the points or plot the points on the graph paper and you will be see. So question number 1 is I already told you. So first of all we have to consider the vertices. So let us consider the vertices. First A 3 and 2 and B 2 3 and minus 4 5 and minus, sorry, 5 and minus 4. So these are the points A, B, C and D. I mean we can say that the what are the coordinates of point A? So coordinates of the points A are 3 and 2. Coordinates of the point B are 2 and 3. Coordinates of the point C are minus 4 and 5. Coordinates of the point 5 and minus 4. So we have to plot this point on the graph paper. So now let's see in the graph paper. Okay, so here point A represent 3 and 2. So 3 and 2 are lies in the first quadrant. So this is the first quadrant, student, because these are positive sign. So now plus 3 is here. So see here, this is distance from the y-axis, 1 unit, 2 unit, 3 unit, and so this is abscissa and ordinate is 2. So 2 here is 2, you find out 2. So here 1 unit, 2 unit, so this is the 2. Okay student, and this point is A. Okay, now similarly point B, what are the coordinates of the point B? So the coordinates of the points are B given 2 and 3. So 2 is here and 3 is here. So 1 2 3, so this is the 2 and 3. So this is also will be lies on the same plane. So I mean in the first quadrant, here write point B. Okay, now next is third point C. So point coordinates of the point C are given minus 4 and 5. So minus 4 is here and positive sign is given plus 5. So 5 is here. So 4 and 5 means here. So this is the point C, and 4 minus 4 and 5, this is the point C. Okay student, so point C. Now regarding the point D is given 5 and minus 4. So 5 is positive, 5 means abscissa, and minus 4. So 5 is abscissa, this is the 5, and minus 4 means here is 4, minus 4. Okay student, this is minus 4. So this is point D. Now after this we have to join the point. So if it will be joined like this point here to here and here to here with the help of scale. So now I am joining by, with the help of scale you will be joined, and you will be like this, join like this student, and then this is point B to C, and after this you have to join the point C to B, sorry, C to D. So in this way we have to join this point here to here. Okay student, now after this you have to join A to D, A to D. So in this way we have got the quadrilateral. Okay student, A B C D is the quadrilateral. So this is the very interesting question student. So you will be do at home. I had already given the homework, I told you, and you have to follow another books also and do very well, because math subject is not a boring subject. So this is very interesting subject, and suppose you will be do by interesting way and you can do very easily. Okay student, I hope you understood my lecture. Thanks.